Hi everyone, I want to welcome you back to Rachel Brands Design. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my first impression on the Ohuhu alcohol markers. I recently made this purchase from Amazon and it's a set of 24 markers. At the time of filming this video, the markers are $29.99 in Canadian dollars. I did get it on the Prime Day, so I paid $23.99 for this. So I did save a couple of dollars. So a few of the reasons why I decided to make this purchase is that I currently use Spectrum Noir markers, and quite a few of my markers have dried up, over the years of using them. And when I was looking at the price to replace them, it was quite expensive. So purchasing the Ohuhu markers was definitely a better deal for me. Another reason why I decided to make the purchase is specifically because of the tip. So with my current Spectrum Noir markers, it has a fine bullet tip like this here and also a chisel tip like this. But with these specific markers that I purchased, it comes with a brush tip and also a fine tip. So that was kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to kind of try a different tip. All right, so let me go ahead and open up the package here. So one of the things that I really like that it actually comes with a carrying case, because when it comes to storing my Spectrum Noir markers, I actually have them stored in this caddy here that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I really like the fact that it came with a case for all the markers here. All right, so, ooh, I really love the colors. Oh, these are so nice. So there's a couple other stuff here on the side. So the first thing that it comes with is the color swatch card. So this is really nice, and it's just the perfect size to fit in here. Because with my Spectrum Noir markers, I have it all on this piece of paper here. So I had to print this out and, color all of the markers in here. But I like the fact that this is, nice and small, and it fits right specifically in the set here. Also, too, it comes with a little brochure here. So it looks like there's some, different information here about the markers and also the colors. So yeah, there are a lot of different collections that you can buy. I did purchase the 24 basic set of the colors here. So again, lots of information about it. Oh, and there's something else I didn't realize, that the brush tip is actually reversible. So that's actually really cool. So yeah, I'll definitely spend some time reading through this information guide here. And then another thing I see is this here. All right, so it says here, if you are coloring on thin paper, please place this pad between your coloring sheets to prevent any bleeding through that. Oh, so that's really cool that they have that here, because it's true. A lot of times when you are using your alcohol markers, it does bleed through, like you can kind of see over here on this side. So that's actually really cool that it has that here. All right, so when we take a look at the colors here, oh my gosh, they're so pretty, and it's a nice, basic collection of multiple colors here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the coral pink. Also, too, let me just grab some paper here just to kind of test out. So something that I like to do is, when it comes to practicing coloring and blending, I like to have, I'll stamp out a couple different images, and then I'll just kind of practice to kind of see what looks good with the colors. So that's what I did. Those are examples of with the Spectrum Noir markers. So I will definitely do the same thing. So let me just grab a fresh sheet of paper, and this is 80-pound cardstock. And let's kind of take a look at the tip here. So yeah, it's definitely really different compared to what I'm used to. So I really like how that looks, and just even coloring out. It's a beautiful color. So this is, again, the coral pink. So this is the brush tip, and then this is the fine tip. So this is, again, so this is very similar to what I'm kind of used to with my Spectrum Noir marker. So even when I take a look at, again, the tips here, yeah, so one thing I could say is the Spectrum Noir marker is a little bit thinner when it comes to the tip. So this one here for the Ohuhu marker is a little bit thicker, the tip. But yeah, it looks pretty good. But I like also the feel of this, because this is a, it's like a circle, and it's actually quite comfortable in your hand. With the Spectrum Noir markers here, it's kind of, it does fit, and it does actually have a grip here, but I kind of like, the feel of this. So that's another thing too, I kind of like of it so far. I actually have 2 sets of Spectrum Noir markers. So this is like the original set here. So again, the shape of the body is a little bit different compared when they did the newer set, it's a little bit thicker here. So, you know, I like the feel of how this one looks here. And even too, that was something different is the tip. Like this tip with the original marker is a little bit different compared to even when they came out with the newer one. If you kind of open it up here, yeah, was a little bit, I find the fine tip one, this was actually a little bit thinner towards the top, where this one was a little bit thicker. So yeah, I like so far with the Ohuhu markers. Oopsie, let me just put that back on properly. Yeah, I really like, you know, how it feels in my hand. And then on top of that too, I'm just really excited again with the brush tip, right? When it comes to, so you can kind of do it a little bit, you know, lighter, and then, you know, kind of go in a little bit darker. So that'll be really cool to see about, you know, how you would do with like shading and stuff like that when it comes to being used. So far I'm really excited with, you know, the markers, and, you know, just the look and feel of it feels really good. So I'll definitely take some time to go through and do my color swatch. So again, I just wanted to kind of just share my first impression of this video, of these markers in this video. But so far I really like it. So definitely stay tuned for some upcoming videos where I'll be doing some different coloring and for some cards that I have to make. I have quite a few birthdays coming up over the next several months, so I will definitely be using these markers. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscriber button. If you have these markers, I would love to hear your opinions in the comment box below, or any other type of alcohol markers that you use. I would love to hear your feedback below in the comment box. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have yourselves a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye.